SWARA, where Eastern music finds its soul alive once more. Over 700 young voices united in rhythm, passion and purpose from across the country. Lyceum International School proudly presents Sri Lanka's largest school-based Eastern Music Evening. On the 7th of February at the Bandaranaike Memorial International Conference Hall, Colombo. Experience a powerful celebration of heritage, creativity and youthful brilliance, where tradition inspires innovation and music speaks beyond generation. SWARA Live in Concert Season 2. An unforgettable journey of Eastern music. Tickets now available at www.lyceum.lk or call us on 0777 838 877.